Hello everyone, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on your Oppo devices. Okay, so all you need to do, if you have not configured the Google Assistant, you need to look for the Google Assistant tab on the Google page. Just click on it and then your Google Assistant is ready to help you get the things done. And then all you need to do, just click turn on. And there you have it. If you want something, you can just press either type it or press the microphone icon and say, "Hi Google, take me to Assistant menu."
Opening Assistant.
And as you see, it's already turned on. It's working perfectly fine. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.